Dear ones, dear hearts, welcome back to my channel. Kenyatta here. My cousin JR came for a visit and we went on the road to Portland. Want to come along with us for the fun-filled trip? Let's go! What? Come on man, come on man, come on man.
Alright, Mr. Jamaica.
Alright guys.
So.
Ow, ow, JR.
What's up everybody?
Which one do you go?
Outside, Portland.
But first stop?
Susie's.
Excellent house. Some ackee and starfish and them, you know, some real Jamaican food and them thing there.
Yeah, some rundown and stew chicken and
Mix up.
fried dumpling.
Who does that?
Can't do for me.
Vegan lifestyle, you know? And some protein, you know?
Vegan? Vegan?
Vegan stuff.
Good life with a good vibe. Virgin is a virgin. Sister is just a friend. Everyone wants to make it. One slice of bread. Everybody feeling nice. I am in the order, Rastafari. Nothing no precious like the youth them life. That's the one thing about the money we can buy. Shot them a chat up, how them a bad man, I run on them out and run.
It's videoing if red is there?
If it's right
At the top, no, it's videoing. It's going.
A little further back, please, because I want the whole operation here. No. Oh, Tanir, can you help me with my fruits? What are you doing here? We are collecting some fruits for the road.
With the road.
For the road.
Why?
John, don't bless us. Please.
So here we have some apples, some Jamaican apples. Right?
And some
For the
jum.
road.
Yes.
Four of us, 4 apples.
Precious apples. And then a whole bag of jum.
Yes, and then plum for days.
And precious
Papaya.
Papaya.
Yes, I have.
Not to forget the Hana banana.
Wait, the whole hand?
Yeah, whole hand.
Whole
How
hand.
much on this? It's like about 2 dozen.
I don't know.
Sorry, mommy, may I try not get in there? Share run.
So, this is it. Ross.
Whole for banana, you know. For potassium.
Yes, I have.
Yeah. Vitamins for the body for days, you know. Alright, are we ready? Anything else?
We ready for the road.
We ready?
I'm gonna touch the phone. I gotta send me to give me my time out. It's the side of streets to it. And the streets to shit.
So, Tanir, how is the food?
This? Can't talk.
Let me see your face.
You know, give me a piece of it.
Let me see your face. If you tell me the truth.
Yeah, that. Jeremy, they have a piece in, but we have food till the can't get in again, brother. Sorry.
Oh, when they brown something there? Oh.
I'm ready.
Yeah. Wonderful.
You agree with Tanir? Yeah, you good?
I'm going for trouble.
I think you're watching me under here.
How much bite you can get?
And everybody's supposed to do mine now, you know.
Very nice.
I got that good food. Yeah.
Yeah. Hello?
Of driving this route and don't get the memories, eh?
I know.
Come, hurry up.
Yeah, man, we have to run, we have to run. We have to run. Oh my god. Oh my god, let's do it. Let's go.
Yeah, get Kenya.
I just keep it up. I wash my hands. Natural water.
Natural vibes, the real vibes.
I wash my face with it too. Catch up. Look how water clear. Pure. Oh, you recorded it?
Yeah. No? It wasn't recorded? No. I thought you pressed it and just give it to me. Log, I feel it again. Natural vibes is the real vibes. How was that, Tanir?
It was cool and nice, I must tell you. Beautiful.
Let me come ready.
Oh, coffee them I do.
Yes, sir, coffee. No, sir.
Coffee or roast right up there.
This is amazing.
Only we can't feel the taste of the smell of coffee.
What am I? Lemon? Banana?
Good vibration, yeah. That's the positive vibes and we creating, yeah. Sounds that make you feel right, we keep it playing.
This love, is this love, is this love, is this love that I'm feeling? Woo! Is this love, is this love, is this love, is this love that I'm feeling? I wanna know now. I got to know. I'm willing and able.
It says Reach Falls.
Half a kilometer away. We're almost here, folks.
What we are the Kenyatta?
We're going to find some man who can do some local tour.
Local tour.
By Reach Falls.
Why we are do the local tour?
Well, we want to support. We want to support the local people them. We support the local them instead of giving money to the government.
Alright, sir.
So we're going to see.
So we are going to negotiate with them too?
Well, we're going to see what they say.
Alright, sir.
Because they send two foreigner.
The
And two
foreigner
locals
them.
don't like here.
Two locals don't like here.
I get pampered with the AC. And then we are going to rough it. Lord God, please.
I tell you, yo,
Always.
forward there. Forward now. So, where are you now? Talk to me.
With the local.
What is it?
Some picture of the thing, cause I'm sure it's not a drug thing with the pan. I'll show you some picture of the thing. Yeah,
So I would pay you instead of going through the UDC?
Yeah, through the UDC. This is a local tour. You get more adventure, you get more water, more jump off. You get water massage hole.
Oh, wow. We like the massage hole.
Yeah, we'll get enjoyment, man. Remember method.
Yeah?
So,
Nice.
What do you mean?
You say I show me
Try.
something.
Oh.
Show me or show me, man.
Yeah, man, I'll show you some. I was there down there yesterday with some guests. Alright. See there? This is place dark.
You could go over there, in the shade.
Straight, yeah. See there? This a part of down there, you know. This a part of down there. Hold on. Let me find some more. Find some more of the river part. Find some more of the river part. There, this look like a one video. This is one of the. Hold on, the video you not show. The video you not show. Nice, sir. Come on.
Enough storage space.
Yeah, that's why some of them now. So. You have picture, right? We down there. Yeah, man. Show them some of the picture. I feel me went through space. Some of the picture then now come on.
So we're not going to the same place as the
You get to see the main falls and
Yes.
get all picture and everything at the same way. Yeah, man. You get to see it same way, man.
Split them now. So here we are in the back of the van. I decided to ride around here. Because really and truly this is true Jamaican style.
Yeah.
And so we ride in a van back.
Yeah.
We're not riding in front of vehicle. And I hope you so generally sit down. But you know, when you grow up you kind of learn about the safety of things.
Yeah.
Better you sit down, use wisdom. Yo, down here, so we're going to park up. We're park up down here, sir. Right on the left, yes, sir.
Yeah, we're out here.
Look at Jeremy, make sure you get to that picture now. I'm black out in here. lock out Tanir. He's like, what? Me not eat.
Come here, get Arlie. Arlie. Come show them your abs and your chest and them things are big man.
Come on, man.
Come on, man. Oh, don't come on, funny.
Ooh, yeah. We are going on an adventure.
Alright, we're jamming. I wanna jam it with you. We're jamming, jamming, and I hope you like jamming too. And the rules they don't know. We can do it anyhow. I and I will see you through. 'Cause every day we pay the price. There's a every sacrifice. Jamming till the jam is through.
Hey, folks. It's so beautiful. This is where heaven resides.
We reach.
We reach. I'm blessed. What do you think, Dad?
Daylight come and we want to come. Daylight come and we want to home. Daylight come and we want to home. Daylight come and we want to home. Man of free. Everybody come feel us, when them woman don't free. Me say Lord, what a night, what a night, what a Saturday night. Me say Lord, what a night, what a night, what a Saturday night.
Where you go, all, eh?
Look on them down there, so. Look on them. Hey, try gone up in that tree long time. We can't even see them. They really not sure the apple them. Lord God, watch out.
Oh, that's the most sweet. But it's delicious.
What makes it delicious?
The bird, they might eat this.
Okay. I knew we said about the apple.
Refreshing.
No more refreshing. The apple on your phone.
Speechless.
Troy Shaw. Shaw is my last name. Troy is my first name. Well, I start this maybe about 3 years now. I'm doing this. I love it. Trust me. I help people to enjoy themselves, feel good, see the nature. Yeah, and all of that. Yeah. We have a local entrance where we make like people get more to see, like more pools, more jump off, more water massage and other stuff like that. Yeah, so people get more. We have like more things at the local, so we stop the people them and talk to them and tell them just like how I do you guys earlier on. Yeah.
So for us, we are risk takers, so to speak. So we say, okay, then we just try it out. But it so turned out that, you know, we were quite fortunate because Troy and his brother Nelson, you may see him a bit later, they're very nice, kind, and very attentive to us, letting us know where to walk for our safety.
Yeah.
So, you know, because I had this experience, I know, you know, we can trust them, and, you know, we want to share. I feel very much appreciative of Troy here. Now come round.
Yes, man. Big up Troy. Big up Troy.
Come on,
Yeah, man.
and show your love for Troy.
Try.
Yeah.
Best tour guide.
Yeah.
I recommend him
Big up every
100%. The man show
Reach
everywhere in
falls.
the river
Yeah,
on
man,
a walk.
for real.
He knows the river very much.
True, true.
And he's an excellent tour guide. I recommend him 100%. And not only that, you see the apple we shall eat, him go pick it.
Him
You
and me.
understand me?
Him and me. Not to try.
Yeah.
Yeah. Try, not try.
True,
Stop
true.
try.
Them
And
never
guess
did it. Them
what?
never did it.
You get extra because it's not only Try and brother Nelson. If you look over there, so Nelson just go climb a coconut tree and I pick coconut for you. 100% recommend them. Choose them over
Nelson
UDC.
say them are dirty and you want to wash up. You understand? Big up Nelson. Yeah. Put them back at them yard with them are clean.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, try.
It's fun.
Man.
Same
General,
way.
man.
Same way.
Many times,
Same
you know what I
way.
mean?
Same way.
Excellent.
Same way.
Thank you very much.
Same way.
Job well done, man. Job well done.
Same way.
Yes. And I just wanted to share that with you. So, you know, if you come here, you know, if you take the same risk, you know that we had this experience already with Troy and your brother.
True.
And, you know, you can check him out. And I also tell him that, you know, you should keep up what he's doing, honestly.
Yeah.
And, you know, his integrity, because that will carry him a long way right here in Jamaica.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Big him up. Seriously.
Okay.
Mash it. Broke out, girl, your body no cranny.
One day again, man, I get ya.
What? I walk on yourself. I walk on yourself.
Like
Come
what?
out of the road, Kenyatta.
I two him drink here.
Thank you, Nelson.
You're welcome.
Come see about it.